Hi, this is Manon. I just did a small video in French about the fonts and the program that I use to make Cricut design space easier for me. And I just said, well, I'm going to do it in English too. So this is going to be a small video. It's just to talk about two programs and one website. Most of the people know about the website. It's where we get free fonts. It's thefont.com. That's it is amazing. You have so many fonts. They say like they have 34,000 fonts right now, almost 35,000 fonts. So I'm addicted to fonts. I have so many. I have like around 500 fonts on my computer, so I really like it. But when you use font, some of them have some special character, and it's hard sometimes to find which key shortcut you have to use to get the character. So for that, I use iLogitech main type. The last version is 8. I love this program because you can easily see all your font. You can write whatever you want, and you're gonna see what it's gonna look like. And if you have a font, I'm gonna use a font that many people know because we saw it in so many videos. It's the I Love Glitter font. And hey, okay, this one. And with this font, you have, you know, the small art like that. This art is so hard to find when you don't know which letter you have to type to see the letter. So if you see over here, you have the map, and you can see all the special character. So if I want like the small art, that's this one. So it's low line, so underscore. You just have to make an underscore, and you're gonna have your heart. If I want, I saw a triple heart, double heart. You see, you have double heart like that. You can just right click, copy, and you go and paste it. If you want to use it in design space, when you go to design space, if I'm gonna use the same font, so I Love Glitter, and I'm gonna write my name, my husband name, and between, I'm just gonna go back and do my underscore. Okay. You see the way design space put the letter? They all have space between. So you have to go with ungroup to letter, and you have to move each letter one by one. That's painful. It's doable. It's easy, but it's painful, and it's sometimes it's long. And what I like about, you can that's the next program I have to show you. So you see, when you type in main type, you see that the letters should be attached together. So if I want to have the double art in Cricut, and I don't know, you just have to copy from this program. You go into your design space. I'm gonna change, whoops. I'm gonna change this to what it's supposed to be. Here you go. Have my double heart. That's how you put some special character into your design space. You just have to find what you want in the map over here, and you just go back to your design space and copy, just like that. The other program I want to show you is something to eliminate all the space with Cricut, all the work we have to do with Cricut to have, ouch, to have nice, I'm just gonna, I saw the art, I just want to put the art at the end. I'm fancy today. There you go. So I'm just gonna copy this to show you my other program. The other program is called FontLab Pad. I heard about it on a YouTube channel on another someone who made another tutorial, and I wanted to share it. So it's just a small program like that. I'm just gonna close it and open back again. Okay, when you have it, it's just like that. It's a white background with nothing inside. You can go to File, Open Install, and you're gonna see all your fonts you have in your computer. So I want to use I Love Glitter, so I'm gonna type I Love Glitter. I'm gonna use it, and that's what I used to have. So I'm gonna just paste what I want. You see the difference between Design Space? It's the same text that I put in Cricut Design Space and the program. I have my special character and Manon and Pascal, which is the name of my husband. And whoop, not this one. And you just paste the same thing in this program and you have it perfect with no spacing. The letter are connect. I love this program. I just found it about a week ago, and you can use the size, you can choose the color, you can change so many things. And what I like about this is just this little button here. It's the save, and you can save it in PSD. SVG, I want to say SVG, sorry. I was in Photoshop earlier, so you just have to save it in SVG. So I'm gonna save it, go back to my Cricut, upload. Whoa, that's not what I want. Okay, that's the last one I just did. I think it's this one. No, this one. Is it the right one? Yes, that's the right one. So I'm just gonna upload it in my Design Space, and I have it just right. You see the difference between both of them? I did no work at all on this one. You still have them all separated. So if you would go and make it like that, you're gonna have so many, you're gonna see the space and everything. But you just have to, just gonna take this one and weld. That's it. You have to go, you have it right. One piece, no problem. You can size it the way you want. It's an SVG, so you can make it small, make it big, make it like anything you want. And you can change your font here so easily. You don't want this one? Okay, I love broken art. So I want broken heart. That's it. Of course, those character doesn't work for this font. But you just, if you want to type just something, you can see, you see, if I would, you see how it's easy. If I had to go in here and type hello, and that's my, whoa, I want to move it. Okay, my font was broken art, so oh, of course I just installed it, so I have to close. Sorry. No, thanks. Alright, you see the difference? Oh, I did a capital A. You see the difference between this and this? That's so much better. That's so much nicer with that. And I just type hello, both of them the same thing. So if you're sure of your text and you don't need to make the, anyway, you can go back in this program and make changes. You just have to save it and upload it in SVG. Well, I said it's gonna be a small video, so I'm gonna stop there. That's what I want to share with you. So it's FontLab Pad to see and make SVG with the character, the font that you want. It's main type to see all the special character and easily find what you want and just copy paste, and you gotta have your character. And of course, like almost anybody knows, thefont.com, where you can find so many font to download. So here you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.